Namaskar, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ YouTube channel, and this is a lesson for spoken Kannada learners for adults. I hope you are already following all the lessons that we are doing in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. If not, I leave the playlist link here. In the playlist, you have all the video lessons that we have done till now for the spoken Kannada learners. I request you all to go and check out those videos. Okay. So now let's start today. So even though we are learning a few basic sentences. In the last class, if you observe, the last video and this video, it will be more suitable for the beginners, not for the intermediate learners. Okay, so but intermediate learners, you can just listen to that and you can just revise and recap with the things that we have already learned. So let's start with the first sentence. In the first sentence that I want to write is idu avan bike. So avanu, avana is his. This is his bike. I want to say this is his bike. Then I would say idu avan bike. And here also, as I mentioned last class ali, you can be ignored. Idu avan bike. This is his bike. Adu our book. Adu. So that is adu our mobile. Our jaga. That is her place. That is her mobile. That is her wish. Adu our ishta. Adu our ishta. Adu avan ishta. Neen kelbeda. You don't ask. So neen kelbeda. Neen kelbeda. So la, make sure it has to touch upper palate of your mouth. The tongue tip has to touch upper palate of your mouth. Neen kelbeda. You don't ask. So with respect, if you want to say neev kelbedi. Neev kelbedi. You don't ask anything. Neev eno kelbedi. Neev eno kelbedi. This you extend a little bit. Okay. Enu andre it's a what. So enu kelbedi. You don't ask anything. Anything, just extend this one. Enu, I'll write it in a caps. Enu kelbedi. You don't ask anything. Nivenu kelbedi. With respect is nivenu kelbedi. Okay. The next one I want to learn. The sentences. This and I hope you know you got the usage of avan and aval. Now I want to say it with respect. Idu our earphone. Idu our earphone. Our is with respect. So idu our earphone. Idu our jaga. And our space. Idu our meeting. Okay, the our project. This is their project. So their, his and her. That is what we learned a little bit into the depth. Okay, next, where is his bike? Avan bike elli. Avan bike elli. Avan bike elli. Or to make it a little bit grammatically right, I can say on bike elli there. Where is his bike? I want to say where was his bike? Then it will become avan bike ellittu. Avan bike ellittu. Where was it? Kaha tha? Kaha hai? Both are different. Enga irundichu, enga irukku. Both are different. Okay. I'm a little bit fluent in Tamil and Hindi, so I can give extra input in Hindi and Tamil, but not in other language. Please apologize for that one. You can just recollect the things in your language, in your native language, and compare with the Kannada. Avaga it will become much more easier, and you can connect with the language in an easy way. Okay. So ಅವನ ಬೈಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಬೈಕ್? ಅವಳ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್? ವೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೈಂಡ್? ನಿನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು? ನಿನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್? ವಾಟ್ ವರ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್? ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲರ್ನ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಲೈಕ್, ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಲೈಕ್ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್. ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಸ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಲೈಕ್. ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು. ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್. ನನಗೆ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐಸ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ನೌ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ using the ಇಷ್ಟ. We can use in a different terms also. I'm just looking into that so that I want to make sure that I have completed everything that whatever I have marked. Okay. So that's it. So illi basically what we did in the last video and this video is we are just basically memorizing, and it's like a recap of a pronoun. So what are the pronouns andre? It's nan, which is I, and with respect is navu, and neen, who are you, neev yaru, with respect, avan yaru, who is he, aval yaru, who is she, our yaru, who are they, nan pen, nam mane, our house, nin jaga, nimmishta, your wish, nanig beda, I don't want, namge ishta illa, we don't like, ninig beka, do you want, nimge ishtana, do you like. So these are the kind of things that we are learning. Next, avan ishta, his like, his wish, aval ishta, their wish, our ishta, other ishta. Other, it sounds like other in English. Okay, other ishta, here you will be using this one for animal, birds, mate things, which we call as a napumsakalinga, the third gender, neutral gender. Okay, and this is the today's lesson. I hope you are comfortable with this one. You can just make a note of everything, and most of the things I have not written in English. I want you to just write it down in English whenever I said the sentences. So here I'll complete today's lesson. If you have any doubt, comment section alli mention ಮಾಡಿ, or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. Share this video with your friend. Let them also learn Kannada in a different way. And there is an ebook which is available for spoken Kannada learners, which is completely launched and written by myself from Yashaswikannadavaani for you all in a colloquial version. The most important, it has also the practice activities. So please do check out the description box to get the link for that one. And there is, in this November 2023, there is an offer that is running 25% off on all the books, all the e-books that is being launched by Yashaswikannadavaani. Make use of this one. Get the book, gift a book. Happy learning. Namaskara. Dhanyavada. From Yashaswikannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.